afternoon, dear students. Prayer. How are you all? Hope all are fine. In chapter 11, we start with the perimeter and area of two-dimensional figures. Today we are going to learn some solid shapes and its surface area. So, what is mean by two-dimensional figure? Two-dimensional figure have length and breadth only. Now, this is a two-dimensional figure. Why? It has the length and breadth only. This is a two-dimensional. Okay, this is two-dimensional shape. Then what is meant by three-dimensional? Three-dimensional means it has a length, breadth and height. For example, shapes like these are three-dimensional shapes. Now consider this shape. What is the shape is called? This is cuboid. Now consider faces of this cuboid. This face and these faces are equal. Equal means identical. These shapes are identical and these two shapes are identical. Then these identical faces are called congruent faces. If two faces of a shape is identical, then they are called congruent faces. Now consider this cuboidal box. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. What is the shape of this face? Face means this surface. So shape is rectangle. Then this side and this side are identical. Identical means same shape. So this side and this side same length and measure. Okay, length. Same length, same breadth, both of these faces. The same way this face and this face. Both are identical and rectangular shape. And this face and this face both are rectangle shape and both are identical. So this cuboidal box has 3 pairs of identical faces. How many pairs of? 3 pairs of identical faces. Now this is a cube. How many faces have cube? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces, and all these 6 faces are in the shape of a square, and all these 6 faces are identical. This is cubical box. Now next shape, what is this? Cylinder. This is cylindrical box. Consider this is as a cylindrical box. Then this is a curved surface. This is a curved surface and this top and bottom in the shape of a circular. So circular top and circular bottom. This top and bottom are identical. Now take page 180. They are given 2 figures on the top side. Figure 11.26 and figure 11.27. So 0.26 and 0.7. Look there. What is the speciality? Both are circular cylinders. Then, in a right circular cylinder, the line segment joining the centers of circular faces is perpendicular to the base. In case otherwise, the cylinder will not a right circular cylinder. So here given what is meant by right circular cylinder and not right circular cylinder. So consider figure 1. The line segment joining the centers of circular faces is perpendicular to the base. So cylinders like this are called a right circular cylinder. And figure 11.27. Line is not perpendicular to the base, so it is not a right circular cylinder. So next we are going to learn about the surface area of a solid shape. So what is mean by surface area? The sum of areas of all these faces are called surface area. Sum of areas of these all faces are called surface area. Now surface area of a cuboid. So this figure of a cuboid shape. Now this is length, that means this is length, then breadth, this side breadth, and this side height, that is length, breadth, height. Okay. Now total surface area of cuboid means the area of these 6 faces, sum of area of these 6 faces. So here we have a formula for finding total surface area equal 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. So this is the formula for finding total surface area of a cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now next is lateral surface area. What is meant by lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means consider these 4 faces only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other than these 2 faces. Other than these 2 faces, that is these 2 faces are excluded. These two, sum of these 4 faces are called lateral surface area. So it has also one formula, 2h into L plus B. 2 into h into L plus B. H means height, L means length, and B means breadth. Next, consider cube. Cube has 6 faces. All faces have in the shape of a square. Square means all sides are equal. So all sides are length. So this side L, this side L, this side L, all sides are equal. So we denote this side as a small letter L. Then total surface area of a cube equal 6L square. And lateral surface area is equal 4L square. Lateral surface area means we avoid 2 faces. These 4 faces included. It's a sum 4L square. Next, consider cylinder. So cylinder, this is the height of the cylinder, that is this perpendicular line from the top of the cylinder to the bottom of the cylinder through the center of this circular face. That is that perpendicular line segment is the height of the cylinder, and this is the radius of this circular face. Okay. Now total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 pi r, what is meant by 2 pi r? 2 pi r is the perimeter of a circle. Then 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the formula for finding total surface area of a cylinder. Now h means height and r means radius of this circular face. Okay. Now lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h, r is the radius, h is the height, and pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. You can take any value, that is pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is a constant value, or 3.14. You can take any value for calculation. In this class, means 8th standard, we need to study formulas only. Okay. So you must find formulas for total surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Then also lateral surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now take page 186, exercise 11.3, question number 1. There are 2 cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. They are given 2 cuboidal boxes A and B here. Okay. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Which box requires the lesser amount of materials to make it? So question A, figure A like this shape and figure B like this shape. All sides have 50 cm and figure A length 60, then breadth 40 and height 50 cm. So we need to find the total amount or total material for making this type of box. That means we need to find area of these sides. That means it's a surface area. So question A. Total surface area. This is the shape of cuboid. So total surface area of a cuboid shape equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now here given L is equal to 60 centimeter and breadth equal to 40 centimeter and height is equal to 50 centimeter. So substitute these values in the equation. So this is equal to 2 into L 60. So 60 into breadth 40 plus again breadth into height. Height means 50. Then plus H means 50. So 50 into L means 60. Then bracket close. Now multiplication. 2 into 60 into 40. 6 4s are 24. So this is 2400. From where these two zeros? From here and here. Okay. So plus 4 5s are 20. So this is 2000. Then plus 5 into 6 30. Then this is 3000. So now add 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000, we get 7400. Then 2 into 7400, we get 14,800 centimeter square. So figure A has surface area, total surface area 14,800 centimeter square. Now second figure, shape is like a cube. So what is the total surface area of this shape? 6L square. L means length of one side. Here given 50. All sides are equal. That is 50. Now substitute that value in the equation. 6 into 50 square equal to 6 into 50 square means 50 into 50. 50 into 50. 5 into 5. 25, 50 into 50, then 5 into 5, 25, then this is 25,000, then multiply with 6, we get, now 6 into 2,500, we get 15,000 centimeter square. Now compare with the figure A, which has biggest lateral surface area, not lateral, total surface area, figure B. So figure A has figure A or box A requires the lesser material to make it. Okay. Now question 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter, 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? So here we need to find total surface area of the suitcase first. Then given length of tarpaulin length means width 96 centimeter. So next we need to find length of tarpaulin required to cover one suitcase. What is first step? First step, find total surface area of the suitcase. Then find length of tarpaulin required to cover one suitcase. Then find length of tarpaulin required to cover 100 such suitcase. So here 3 steps for solve this question. So the dimensions are given. 80 means length, 48 means breadth, 24 means height. That means the suitcase in the shape of a cuboid shape. So now substitute these values in this formula. This is the formula for finding total surface area. Okay, so 2 into L means 80. So 80 into B means 48 plus B 48. So 48 into H means 24 plus again H into L. H 24 into L means 80. So multiplying this we get 80 into 48 3840 and 48 into 24 1152. Then 24 into 80 1920. Then adding this we get 6,912. So 2 into this number we get 13,824 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of the suitcase. Next we need to find the length of tarpaulin for one suitcase. So that is equal total surface area of one suitcase by width of tarpaulin. Width of tarpaulin given as 96. So total surface area we already find that 13,824 divided by 96 we get to 144 centimeter. So we need 144 centimeter tarpaulin for one suitcase. Next we need to find the total length of tarpaulin for 100 suitcases. So we know how many suitcases, 100 suitcases, and the length of tarpaulin for one suitcase is 144. So multiply 100 with 144, we get the length of tarpaulin for 100 suitcase. Okay, we know tarpaulin for one suitcase, and we also know number of suitcase. So multiply, we get 14,400 centimeter. Now convert this measurement into meter. So divide with 100. Then we get 144 meters. So the required length of tarpaulin is 144 meter. Next question 3. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So here given total surface area of a cube as 600 centimeter square. This is the short form of total surface area. You must write in lengthy, not like this. Okay. So total surface area is equal to 600 centimeter square. What is the formula for finding total surface area of a cube? 6L square. So 6L square is equal to 600. Now L square is equal to, transpose this 6 to the right hand side, 600 by 6. Now divide 600 by 6, we get 100. That is L square is equal to 100. So in the 6th chapter we learned square and square roots, isn't it? So L square is 100, then L is equal to root 100. That means root 100 means 10. So length of one side is equal to 10. Next question 4. Rishkar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter into 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? She wants to paint all surface of this cabinet except bottom. So we need to find the surface area except this bottom side. So listen, this bottom side in the shape of a rectangle. So total surface area, formula for finding total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus H. That is all these 6 surfaces. Now we need not want this area. Okay. What is the shape of this area? This is the shape of a rectangle. So area of this shape is length into breadth. So subtract length into breadth from this total surface area. Then we get all other sides total area. So substitute the given values. Length 1 meter, breadth 2 meter and height 1.5 meter. So substitute 2 into L into B, 1 into 2 plus BH 2 into 1.5 and HL 1.5 into 1 minus LB, length into breadth, that is 1 into 2. So 2 into 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1.5, 3. 1.5 it's twice 3. Then 1.5 into 1, 1.5 minus 1 into 2, 2. Then add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1.5 means 6.5. Now 2 into 6.5 minus 2. 2 into 6.5, 13. Then minus 2, we get 11 meter square. So total surface sheet covered is 11 meter square. Next, question number 5. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? So, Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall. Cuboidal hall means this shape. So, its length and length is given inside of the question. So, that is cuboidal shape means not this shape, this shape. Sorry for the mistake. This shape. So given its length, breadth, height. Length 15 meter, breadth 10 meter, height 7 meter. Then it is a hall. Hall. So floor we need not paint, isn't it? So avoid this face. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus L into B. L into B means the area of this face. Now substitute the values in this equation. L 15. So 15 into 10 plus B 10 into H 7. So 10 into 7 plus H into L 7 into 15 minus L into B 15 into 10. Now multiply. 15 into 10 we get 150 plus 10 into 7 70 plus 7 into 15 we get to 105 minus 15 into 10 150. Okay. Now add this. We get add this and multiply with 2 we get 650 minus 150. After subtraction we get 500 meter square. So surface area of that hall is equal to 500 meter square. Next we need to find the number of cans needed for painting the walls. Okay. So from each can a paint 100 meter square of area is painted. Each can contain each can paint, we can paint 100 meter square area. So number of cans needed is equal to surface area by area painted by 1 can. So area painted by 1 can is given 100. So surface area we already find. So 500 by 100 we get to 5. So number of cans is equal to 5. So next questions we will do in next class. Today I am going to wind up this section. So study well. Thank you.